Alright, so today we're going to be diving into the Antec Flux M mATX PC case. And I'm not gonna lie, this case had me feeling some type of way. You know when something looks pretty normal at first, and then you actually start building in it, and suddenly you're like, wait, this is actually kind of nice. Yep, that is the Antec Flux M Micro ATX PC case. Micro ATX cases have been getting a lot of love lately. People want smaller setups that still breathe well and don't choke your giant GPU to death. And the Flux M is basically Antec saying, okay, we can do small, but we're not doing cramped. So in this video, we're going to break down the design, airflow, the included fans, the build experience, and whether this case deserves a spot on your desk. Let's jump right in. This video is sponsored by Antec, but all the opinions and review here are shared entirely on our own. First impression, this case is clean, minimal, but intentional. You get a mesh front panel for airflow, a tempered glass side panel, and this elevated base that lets fresh air comes in from the bottom, which makes way more sense when I show you the airflow visualization for this case in a moment. From the outside, it looks almost deceptively small, but in a don't underestimate me kind of way. The I/O is pretty straightforward here. It's located at the front of the chassis, and it includes a power switch, a reset switch, combo audio, USB-A, and USB-C. Nothing extra, nothing missing, just a modern clean setup. The build quality is solid too. No cheap flags, no ratty panels, none of that is just gonna snap energy. Just a chill, compact case that feels more premium than it looks at first glance. Alright, here's where the Antec went in with the engineering. The Flux M uses something they call the F LUX platform, which is essentially an abbreviation for flow luxury, and it's basically the front and bottom airflow as an intake and exhaust out from the top and rear. Nothing too crazy here. Airflow comes from the front and the bottom and exhaust out from the top and the rear. No chaos, just straightforward airflow. And honestly, it works. Modern GPU loves the directional airflow because they get fresh air straight into the fans, and you also don't get pockets of stale heat. There's about 20 mils of space between the bottom fans and the GPU, and that gap is very intentional. It's basically a runway for cold air. If the bottom fans are too close to the GPU essentially will suffocate, and actually you will lose performance, and the temperature will get higher compared to having it in a distance like what Antec did here. If you care about GPU temps, this layout actually makes a difference. It's not just a gimmick. Now let's talk about fans, because this case does not play around. The Flux M comes with 6 pre-installed 120mm fans, which honestly is valid at this price point. We got 2 120mm PWM ARGB fans at the front as intake, 3 120mm PWM fan, they are non-RGB at the bottom as reverse intake, and then there's also one ARGB PWM fan at the rear as exhaust. And let's be honest here, reverse blade fans are kind of essential now for PC case nowadays, because you really don't want to see the ugly backside of a non-reverse blade fan. For a case that's around 70 bucks, you're getting a lot of value out of all these pre-installed fans. With the combination of an AIO, you'll already be getting another 3 120mm fans for the top exhaust. That means you don't have to get any extra fans. So budget build in a case like that could actually save you a lot of money if you plan to put that money into somewhere else like RAM. And of course, if you don't like the look of these fans, you can always change it up to something different. For this case, it supports 3x 120mm fans at the top, 2x 120mm fans at the front, and 3x 120mm fans at the bottom. And also for the rear, it supports one 120mm fan. It does not support any 140mm fans in this chassis, so if you want to pick this up, be sure to keep that in mind. Now, inside is where this case hit the sweet spot between compact and capable. You can fit a micro ATX or ITX motherboards, a CPU coolers for up to 175mm, a GPU for up to 405mm. Yes, we're talking about those full-size triple fan GPU beasts like the Astro right there. PSU for up to 160mm. You can also fit 2 3.5-inch drive and 2 2.5-inch drives. And on top of that, you get an adjustable GPU anti-sag bracket. Not just for the show, it actually works and keep those heavy GPU from sagging. Now the PSU is located in a weird position, but it totally makes sense for me. So the PSU sits towards the front under a shroud, which hides cables and keep the main chamber clean. Now with the position of this PSU, there's actually an integrated power supply extension cable that routes from the inside of the case towards your PSU, and you just have to plug in your power supply cable towards the extension cable. Even though this is compact, but you never really feel that it's limited. Now, cable management in this case is also pretty good. You get 59 mils of cable space in the front and 49 mils in the rear. For a micro ATX case, that's like having a walk-in closet. There are plenty of channels, tie-down points, and even a removable cable cover panel that lets you hide everything for that clean look. Even if cable management is not your strong suit, this case definitely makes it look like it is. Building in the Flux M honestly feels comfortable, like it was designed by someone who's actually built a PC before. The fans are already installed, the interior doesn't feel cramped, the PSU shroud hides all the messy parts, everything lines up without forcing anything. You can tell Antec actually put a lot of effort into designing something for you guys that's more user-friendly. Whether you're building your first PC or your, I don't know, maybe 100 build of the year, this case is smooth to work in. Nothing confusing, nothing annoying, nothing where you're like, why did they put this here? Just a chill, pretty straightforward build. So who should actually get the Antec Flux M micro ATX PC case? Honestly, if you're someone who wants a small case that doesn't feel small, a strong GPU cooling, a clean aesthetic, a ton of included fans, a space for modern large GPUs, a painless build process, a great value for around $75 to $80 price range, this case makes a lot of sense. It hits the balance of compact, capable, and builder-friendly in a way a lot of micro ATX cases still don't. So yeah, the Antec Flux M micro ATX PC case actually surprised me in a lot of different ways. It's compact without being restrictive, airflow focused without being loud, and it genuinely feels premium to build in. The price for this case is just so reasonable. If you want a micro ATX case without compromise, this case is definitely worth considering. Now, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.